feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that heat of love. I will rock this you. South.
6-1 for me.
I love the way you activate your hips and push your ass out. Got a brother wanting this, so bad I'm about to pass out. Wanna dig you, and I can't even lie about it, baby. Just alleviate your clothes, I'm the fly bound. Catch you at the club, your hips have got me feeling. Body talking quick to me, but I can't comprehend the meaning. Now if you wanna roll with me, then here's your chance to 180 on the freeway. Catch me if you can, but give me I'm a rider. Still I'm just a simple man. All I want is money plus the fame. I'm a simple man, Mr. International, player with a passport, just like a Latin switch. Get you anything you ask for, either him or me. The champagne, Hennessy, favorite of my homies when we floss on our enemies. Witness as we creep to a low speed beat. What my flows need, make some OGs funk you don't need. Approaching limit.
South.
6-1 for me.
Ain't no break now. Where do you park it? 61 hertz. Oh, that's not fucking hurt.
Nah, it'll be okay.
Right now, on just 4K, doing almost a 56. 60, God. That's a test right there. Like a test. I don't want to put the meter on it.
Don't do it while I'm in here. All right, guys. So we finna see how loud 2 15s are on a burp. So
In my car, he's about to get a burp.
let's see how this sounds. So he's gonna burp it at 61 hertz is what he's burping at. I think he said around 4K only power is what he's getting at. So he said he's done a 56 and some change already on this. So here we go. Loud. 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 Oh.
I'm not even upset. He just wanted a little burp real quick. I didn't even drop a volt. I didn't even drop a 10.
Did you? What power you have on it?
90 amp hour C-Max on SCV7500. 2 Uv3 hybrids. They are U baskets, U cones on, and custom coils on 2 V3 Neo compact motors.
Wow. Oh yeah, I love the barrier box. I'm next, Smiley. All right, the pressure's on. You ready, sir? All that practice.
I'm ready.
Set. Go.
Can I do that again or what? All right.
But you can at least re-spray paint the tires. I just leave the spray paint on the white.
I was going to put Keith Pratt on each tire.
No, that's me painting the tire. I painted the tire because I forgot to put out the tape. Paint the tires back black.
Okay. So I can go higher.
If you go higher, it'll take the lower score, or you'll have to back up the higher run again. like Payton, go higher, and then go higher again.
Okay.
But do like go one click up, but don't break like 3,500 watts, or maybe 3,000. Go ahead and set the record.
As if it wasn't an auction.
Qualifying scores. Lane 1. Payton Sweeney. Hatchback/SUV/minivan.
Hang on just a second.
154.58 dB. Here's standby.
Uh-oh, you cheat.
Yep. Wow. It's about 13.
Set.
45 inches tall.
Go.
And it's only, it's 20.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time.
What was the score? The first one?
Good job, Payton.
1/10 higher. I love it.
World record holder.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Well, tell the world what you just did.
World record setting for hatch 2.
Let's go. First show and get a world record.
Mike was like sandbagger.